You have completed your resume with Python program, please enter a message in the chat box. Have anyone tried to prepare resume with Python program? Yes, ma'am. It is started.
Yes, ma'am. Shall I start, ma'am? Shall I present the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening.
Okay.
Good evening to all. So we have assembled here for the 7-day program on Python programming organized by Sri Vidyodhya College of Education, Viluppuram, Akuman Foundation and Seva Academy. We have our resource person, Sangeeta ma'am. Welcome you, ma'am. Welcome you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Session is here. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I will share the screen now, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am. Jebisha has replied, yes, ma'am. I don't know what that S means. Whether she has completed her resume or I don't know. Okay, ma'am.
Fine, I'll share my screen now. Yes, I hope my screen is visible here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And I'll tell you how to just go to start. Yesterday, we have started the practical session and we installed the software. We started the practical session. And today it is a continuation of it. Go to the start menu, go to all apps, go to Python folder, expand it, click for this ideally. Click for this ideally, and you will get this environment to work here. One second. Again, I'll share it. Fine. Yes. So here we are going to work in this page. I'll minimize all the window. Okay. So today we are going to have like a recap session. This is a single line comment line. First program. And those who have missed the classes also, you can continue from here. So first, I'm going to introduce from the print statement. I'm giving inside the double quotation. Give the message. This is Sparta. So that's it. When I click for enter, it is going to print the message, what I have given inside the print line. So next, we are going to introduce about the variables. I'm taking the first variable as variable 1, and I'm giving the input for that variable. I'm giving like John. Now I try to print for variable 1. Print. I want to print for this variable 1. So variable 1. So that's it. So we are getting the answer as John. Okay. And similarly, once again, I'll just okay. I maximize the text. I'm giving the See,
Ma'am.
first on the variable 1, I have given the first input as John.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Again, I am taking the
Hello, ma'am.
variable 1.
Hello.
And I am assigning for the different name.
Hello,
The
ma'am.
name is Sam. Okay. Putting for variable 1. Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am. Your voice is breaking.
Is it audible, ma'am? Is it now? It is okay?
It's okay now.
Okay, fine. So first I have assigned the input for variable 1 is John, and I have printed for John. Okay. And second, for the same variable, I am assigning for the different input.
And screen is not shared, I think.
Okay, it has reconnected. One
Okay.
second, ma'am. I'll share it again. It's okay now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So for the first, I have assigned the input John to the variable 1. I printed for it. Okay, so on the same variable, I'm assigning for another input as Sam, and I'm trying to print for that variable. It is printing for Sam. Because your variable can hold only one value at a time. If you are assigning for John, it is printing for John. Using the same variable, if you are assigning for another input, it is not printing the previous one. It is printing only for the current input, because your variable will hold for only one value. So that is what I'm coming to say here. So we know about variable here, and in Python, according to the input what we give, the variable data type will be automatically declared. So I will teach you what is the data type. So next I'll teach you what is that data type. Okay. So first I'm taking one variable. The variable name is called as A. Simply I'm taking one variable. Any variable you can take. A, B, C, X, Y, Z, anything you can take. So I'm taking the variable is A. I'm just giving the value for that variable is 10. Okay. Okay. Now let me check, because we already discussed on the yesterday's class. Python, we have seen for many features, and Python is also called as dynamically typed programming language. So that point conveys here. See why it is called as dynamically typed means. Now you check it. I have given the input A is equal to 10. Check the type of A. I'm checking the type of A. Okay, what is the type of A? I'm checking for the data type. See, in other programming language in C or C++, if you are creating a variable, then you have to declare that variable in a data type. But in Python, you don't need to declare a variable with any data type. Okay. Simply, if you are giving the input to the variable, it will understand what is that variable, which data type it belongs to. Okay. So see here, A is equal to 10. What type it is? It is integer. So integer means if your input is numbers, then it will come under integer. Okay. Okay. So it is an integer. Integer means you have a round number or whole number. Those things are called as integer. You have given A is equal to 10. So its data type is integer. It is automatically declared. So that is automatically, dynamically, it is declared. So that's why the Python is called as dynamically allocated language. Okay. So next, for the same A, I give 10.5. Okay. Now we will check the type of A. Can you see here? Before, when it is A is equal to 10, it is a type of class integer. Okay. Now A is equal to 10.5. It is a type of class float. Float means decimal values or else the point values. Okay. Those things will come under the float. If your number is like a round number without any point values, So that is called as integer. And if your input is like decimal values, then those thing will comes under float. Okay. Suppose A is equal to, you are giving the string input. Okay. I'm saying Sparta. Now you check the type of A. Type of A. See here, it is class string. See, before the A is equal to 10, the variable A, it is variable is A. I didn't change the variable name. So here also I have declared variable A equal to 10. According to the input, the data type is declared. When I give input is equal to 10, it belongs to integer class. When I give input is equal to 10.5, it belongs to float class. When I give input is equal to Sparta, that is inside the double quotation, if you are giving something, then it is considered as string data type. So I see here, it has given like class string. Okay. And there is one more data type. So I'm teaching the main data type, integer, float, string. One more data type is there, Boolean. I'm assigning A is equal to true. Okay. So now type of A. Just click on it. So now this belongs to class Boolean. Okay. And again, I'm giving for one more input, A is equal to, I'm giving like complex input, a real plus imaginary input. So 3 plus, I'm giving like 4J. So 3 is a real one and 4J is a imaginary one. Now I'm checking for the type of A. Okay. And click for it. Can you see? The class is complex. And A is a variable I have used in all things. From this is called about data type. So Python is a dynamically allocated data type. Whenever you are giving the input, according to your input, data type will be declared. When I give A is equal to 10, the A is a variable which belongs to integer data type. When I give A is equal to 10.5, it belongs to float data type. When I give A is equal to string input, it belongs to class string. When I give A is equal to true or false, it belongs to Boolean data type. When I give like A is equal to 3 plus 4J, that is real and imaginary input, it belongs to complex data type. So that's all about data type. Okay, we see what is this. First program is just printing the a message, just printing the message using the print statement. And we have seen about the variables. Okay, and third, we are seeing about the data type. So next we are going to see for the arithmetic operators. Okay, so we are going to see for arithmetic operators. Okay, so I give A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Okay, so print, I put the calculation like A plus B. Okay, just click on it. So I have assigned A is equal to 10. So now if you want to check the type of A, it is integer. Okay, type of A is integer. Okay, and if you are checking for the type of B, it is also integer. Okay, so you have taken A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20 and you are calculating for print A plus B. So 10 plus 20 is answer is 30. Okay, and I am printing for the another thing, A minus B. So arithmetic operators means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All the four operators comes under the arithmetic operator. So A minus B is minus 10. Okay, and print. Next we are going to do for multiplication. So A, here this symbol is for multiplication. B. Just close this and click on enter. Just you are getting for 200. So 10 into 20, it is 200. And on next now, so we are going to put for division, print A divided by B. So this is a division symbol. Okay, this is a division symbol, and close the bracket and enter on it. Okay, so your input is 10 by 20. So answer is 0.5. Okay, so that's all about the arithmetic operators. So next we are,
Excuse me.
yes ma'am.
Ma'am, please maximize the screen. It is not maximized. Click on that square, ma'am. Square.
One second.
Square button.
Is that okay, ma'am?
Now, if you can click that square button, ma'am. Please check what it will happen.
Ma'am, that's all because you are having coding only by this side.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. It's
okay. I think maybe the coding is coming down now, so I can resize it and then I can keep it at the top. Maybe it may be convenient for you. Is this okay, ma'am?
yes, ma'am. One of the participants asked to maximize the screen. Okay.
Okay, because see, if I click like this, all the see, ma'am, it used to come like this.
Okay, now I think, ma'am, we can see.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So next we are going to see for relational operators. It will allow me to type only by here, ma'am. If I click for so many enter button, there will be the arrow mark. It won't allow me to type here. Okay. Relational operators. Okay. So again, I'm going to take the input for relational operators. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Okay. So relational operators means you have 4 to 5 symbols, that is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and equal to, not equal to. So you have these many types. Let us see one by one. First, we see for greater than. Greater than. Just simply, you can just put the symbol like this. A greater than B. I use print statement. Print. Without print also it will work. See here. A greater than B. See, can you see what is the result we are getting? False. See, A value is 10. B value is 20. I am saying A is bigger than B. Actually, the B is the bigger one. But how I'm checking the condition? A greater than B. So A is bigger than B. I'm saying A is bigger than B. According to this condition, it is false because our input A value is 10, 10 bigger than 20. It is false. So it is giving the message like false. So this is how greater than. And if I put the statement like A less than B, it is true. Okay, the statement is true. And I'm comparing A is equal to B. Both are not equal. If the A value is 10 and if the B value is also 10, it is equal. Here the A value is 20. Sorry, A value is 10 and B value is 20. Both input are not equal. So I'm comparing for A is equal to B. It is not equal. So we are getting the output like false. Now I'm checking A not equal to B. This statement is true because A and B have different inputs. So it is definitely it is not equal. So this gives you the output like true. So that's all. So and if you want, you can compare like A greater than equal to B. It is false. A less than equal to B. It is true. Okay. So that's all. So that's all for the relational operators. You have greater than symbol, and then you have less than symbol. So you have equal to symbol. You have not equal to symbol. This is greater than or equal to. This is less than or equal to. So you have 6 conditions here. So that's all about the relational operators. And next we are going to see for the logical operators. Logical operators. Let us see how we are going to do this. I'm taking some 2 input. So when I'm taking like Boolean input, I'm going to take a Boolean input. So this is true. So for A, I'm assigning the input like true. This is a Boolean input. And for B, I'm assigning the input like false. So I have taken 2 inputs. One is for A and one is for B. So one input I have taken as A. Sorry, one input I have taken as true. And another input I'm taken as false. So in logical operators, we have AND operator. Let us see how to use this AND operator. A, if you are using this ampersand symbol, it is considered as AND. A and B. Okay. When the AND will work, we have studied this. If you are using the AND operator, both should be 1. If 0, 0 is 0, and 1, 0 is also 0, 0, 1 is also 0, only 1, 1. So when the both conditions are true, then only the AND condition is true. Here, we have 2 input, only one have the true statement. Okay. So another B, we have like a false statement. If both are true, then your AND operator will be true. Let me check here. Now the output is correct because if both are true, then the AND will be true. Okay. Here one is true and one is false. If you want, I change the value for B. I am saying B is equal to true. Now A value is also true and B value also I changed to true. Now you check the condition like A ampersand B. Now you see you are getting the output like true. See, because A value is also true and B value is also true. Both are true. So your condition and ampersand output is also true. But in this case, in this case, A is true. A is true. A is true and B is false. So A ampersand B is false. So we already know this table. Okay. So next we are going to put for I'll again take A is equal to true and B equal to, I'll take like false. Again, we will check A ampersand B. It is false. Now I'm checking B ampersand A. It is going to be false. And I'm saying A ampersand A. A is also true and another A is also true. So you are going to get the true statement. So B ampersand B. You are going to get the false statement. This is for AND. And I'm going to next syntax is for OR syntax. So in Python, OR is considered like, once again, this is a symbol. OR is considered like this symbol. Ampersand means AND symbol, and this symbol is mean for OR. Now I'm checking for OR. A or B. See, in A or B, if either one is true, then again the result is going to be true. Here A is true and B is false. How I am saying A or B? So A is true. If any one is true, your output is going to be true. See here. And similarly, B or A, it is going to be true. If I put A or A, because A is true, so definitely is going to be true. B is false, right? So B or B, it is going to be false. Okay. So that's all about the logical operator. I hope you understand. We have seen for 3 operators. Okay. So one is arithmetic operator and another is relational operator. In arithmetic operator, we have seen for four operations. So addition, we have taken 2 inputs. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It is for arithmetic operator. And next we have seen for the relational operators. So we have seen for greater than symbol, less than symbol, and equal to, and this is for not equal to, and this is for greater than equal to, and this is for less than equal to. And next operator we are seeing for logical operators. So we have taken 2 input, we have taken for Boolean inputs. Okay, so we have used for AND operator. So we tried for A and B, B and A. See here, A and B, B and A and A, and B and B. So using the AND operator, we checked for 4 conditions, and we are using for OR operator under the logical operators. So OR operator. So this is mean for R. So B and A and A, B and sorry, A or B, B or A or A, and B or B. So these are all for OR operator. So that's all about operators. So next we are going to move on to strings. So next we are going to learn for strings in Python. Strings in Python. I'm going to take input for a string, or else I take my string. My string I'm going to take for one input. I'm just giving like my name is John. Okay. Okay. So here I'm saying my string of 0. So see, this is your string. My name is John. According to here, the first position of M is 0 and second position of Y is 1. See, always it will start from 0. This is 0. This position is 0. This is 1. Actually, there is an empty space. It is considered as 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. This space is 7. This is 8. This is 9. Like that, it is always your position starts from 0 and it goes according to it. So here I put my string of, I'm telling the position 0. If I tell the position 0, it will print for M. Let's check it. Yeah, it is printing for M. Okay. If you are telling the position, I tell the position for 8, it has to print for the 8th position. It is printing for I. So the position of I is 8. So each character have the position. Okay. If I print for my str, if I put like 10, see here, yeah, that is actually the space. So that's it. If I put like my str, I put like 11. It is printing for John, J. I mean, this one, this position is 11, 12, 13, 14. So N is 14th position. So I print for str I just put like 14. Can you see it is printing for it? So, okay with this. Okay. See, again, you take this statement as fresh. Okay. So my string, I am printing for the first position. My string, if I want to print for the first position, I can give like 0. Okay. Yeah, it is printing for M. If I want to print the last character of the string, then my my string, you can put like -1. If you are putting like -1, if you want to print the first character, you need to put for 0. If you want to print the last character of the string, you can put for -1. So it is, see here, my name is John. Your first character is M. So it has printed here. And your last character is N. By using -1, you have printed the last character. Okay. If I want to find how many characters are there in my string, then there is a function. That is function is known as length function. The function name is length. So here here you need to put the syntax like, you should not type length, L-E-N-G-T-H, not full. You no need to type full. L-E-N, length of, pass this string variable. My string variable name is, that is my string. Close this and enter. Totally, your string consists of 15 characters. So it is giving the count like 15. Okay. Here my name is John. See, only this M is in capital. Okay. And all the remaining letters are in small case. Now I want to convert this string fully to the lowercase. Okay. So there is a function which is known as my string dot. There is a function. Function name is known as lower function. Can you see here? Actually, the M is I gave in capital letter. It has converted to the small case. Lower means it convert the entire text in the small case. And one more string is there, which is known as upper. My string dot upper. Can you see here? If you are using lower function, all the text become converted to lower case. If you are using the upper function, all text are converted to the uppercase. Okay. So next, we are going to use like, 1 second. Okay. So next function is replace. I'm saying my string dot replace function. Instead of Y, our actual string is my name is John. I am changing this Y. Okay, I want to replace this Y into another name. So what letter I'm going to replace? I'm going to replace the Y. What I'm going to replace? As A. Okay. Just enter on it. Can you see here? The Y is replaced as A because of by using this replace function. Okay. And I'm taking another new string. I'm taking one more new input. I'm giving the message like hello world. Okay, I'm taking another new string. Okay, just put it. And I want to count how many times this hello is repeated in this text. Okay, for that I'm using the count function. New string dot count. I'm telling to count this hello. See, in this text, hello is repeated for 2 times. So using the count function, I'm going to find, see here. And this count function is counting how many times the hello is repeated in this text. So we are using the count function. Okay. And I'm going to use for the find function, new string dot, I'm using for find function. I'm telling to find this word world. See, all hello world is here. I'm saying to find this word. Okay, world. I'm telling to find where this world is present inside this text. Let me click on it. Its position is 12. Okay, it is this W position. The world is found in the position 12. Okay, this is known as find function. Okay, and I take one more string input. My variable name is fruit. It is a string variable. I give like I like apples, mangoes, bananas. I've taken the input like this. I like apples. So this is a string variable because I have given inside the single quotation. So it is a string variable. So I like apples, mangoes, and banana. Okay. So this is the input I have taken in this variable. Now I'm going to split the string. So that is a function which is known as split function. Fruit dot split split. How I'm going to split it? Either, see, this string is having comma. So I am taking comma inside. I'm giving, it is going to split the text by using comma. Okay. So by using comma, it is going to, actually it is a single string. Let us see how it is going to split. Can you see here? It has splitted like 3 different strings. So I like apple is a one string, and mangoes is another string, and banana is another string. Okay, before it was like a same string, only single string. By using the split method, it has splitted. Okay. Up to this, is it clear? Up to this, is it clear? Okay, fine. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts here? It's clear? Okay. Can any one of you tell how many functions we have seen in string? Can you list out? You can on the mic and then you can say, or else you can put it in the chat box. How many functions we have seen in the string functions? Okay, Selvam has replied length, lower, upper, count. And today's topic is variable, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, and string. Yeah, replace, split. Count. Very good. Very good. I hope you all understand this. Okay, once again, I'll show you what are all the string functions we have seen. We already told how to declare the first position, how to declare the last position, length, lower function, upper function, replace function, count function, find function, and split function. So we have seen for these many functions. And before we see for logical, see, can you see what are all the operators inside the arithmetic? Can you say? Yeah, it is case sensitive. Can you tell what are all the operators inside the arithmetic? Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. 4 operators. Good. And what are all the operators in logical? Six operators. What are all those? What are all those? Greater than, less than, logical operators, and or. Okay, fine. Relational operator is greater than, less than, equal to, and not equal to. Very good, Hema. Very good. Fine. I hope you understand all the operator. I hope you understand all the operator. Okay, fine. Okay. We go here, we go to new file. Okay. We go here and same thing, one program. Yesterday we have, I introduced how to get the dynamic input for string. I hope you remember. If it is not, I'll just recap it once again. Declare the variable name as variable as name. And I taught you this. Give Sam print. You print hi. Joining operator is comma. You are printing this name. So save this file. You can save anywhere. I already have a folder in the desktop, which is known as Sangeeta. I put like program 1 and I'll save it now. Okay. Now you run it and you are getting the message like Sam. Hi, Sam. And I don't want to assign the input inside the program itself. So you want to use the input method. Input inside this. Enter your name. Okay. So just run this. And it is asking for your name. I'm giving my name as Sangeeta. And it is printing like hi Sangeeta. So up to this we have seen yesterday. And today I'm going to take two variables, A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. Fine. Simply I'm going to print. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what you are typing? We cannot see what you are typing.
Oh my
ID
God.
and the screen is not visible.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Fine. Wait a minute, ma'am. I'll share the entire screen. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. So I have taken two input. One is for A and another one is for B. Okay. So here I'm just putting like addition or add. I'm saying like add is equal to. So I'm for joining operator, I'm using comma as the joining operator. And here I'm saying like A plus B. Okay. So that's it. Just say run this code. And see here, you're getting the message like add is equal to 30. See, I don't want to assign the input inside the program. I want to get like I want to get the input at the runtime. So I taught you in string, you need to use for input method. So same I'm going to use here, input. I'm saying enter the value. Or else you can give simply you can give enter A. That's all. Enter value for A, enter A. That's it. And similarly, input and open and close the bracket. Okay. So here enter B. So that's it. Here we run this program and let's see how it is working. Fine. It is asking for input A. I'll give for 11 and it is asking for input for B. I give for 22. Actually, it need to add. So 11 plus 22 is, it is 33. Let us see how the input is coming, output is coming. See, 11, it has printed 11, it has printed 22. I think it has joined. Means this input is considered a string. In Python, whatever input you are giving, it will be considered a string. So it is like, once again I'll run this. See, it is considered as string. So that's why it has joined. It has not done the addition. It has joined. Let me check what is the type of A and type of B. Print type of A. Okay. And also type of B. Let's save this. Run it. Let me give the same input. See, actually see here. Its type is string. If it is string, how it will add? It won't add, right? If it is integer, if it is a number, actually it should be like a number. If it is a number, it will do for addition. If see, this is string, the type of A is string and type of B is string. So it is combined. So that's a problem. So 11 plus 22, it should be, we should get the output as 33. But we are not getting like 33. It is, it has actually combined. The strings are combined. See, now we are going to do for casting in Python. Casting means converting from one data type to another data type. Okay. Now this is string. No, I need to convert this to integer. For doing that, it is very simple. Put int. That's all. Open the bracket and close the bracket. So that's all. This string input is converted to integer. Okay. Similarly, for B also, you convert as int. Open the bracket and close the bracket. Okay. So it is converted int. Okay. Now you run this program, your output will be perfect. Run this. Can you see here? I'll take the same input 11 and I'll take the same input 22. Now you see here, the type of A is integer and type of B is also integer. We are getting the correct input, correct output, that is 33. Okay. And if you want, you can run it again. Okay. So this, I'm giving like 50, 15, and I'm giving like 100. Can you see? It is 150. And similarly, you can so you can change like A minus. So that's all. Run this program. I'll get 10. Second letter is 2. Can you see here? 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 into 2 is 20. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5.0. And this is division, and there is you have like double division. I'll tell you, there is double division. For double division, you need to put one more slash here. One more slash here. And I'll run this. See the output of this. 10 and this is 2. Can you see here what is the difference? If you put the single division symbol, it is giving the output like decimal. That means it has given like float. If you are using the double division symbol, it will remove the decimal values. It will give you only the round numbers, whole numbers. Okay, so that's the difference between using the single division and double division. And you can use for power symbol like 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means print so I'm straightly giving here 2 to the power of 3. What output you will get? 2 to the power of 3. 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Let me run this. Can you see here? 8. And you can like 2 to the 10, 3 power 3. 3 power 3. Let me run this. So give it the value. Okay. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Is it clear? Today's session is clear? So that's all. We can wind up the today's session. I hope you understand. Thank you, Sri Lakshmi ma'am. Any doubts? Thank you, George sir. Thank you, Raja sir. I hope you understand. If you're not understanding, please you stop me then and there. I will explain you. Thank you, ma'am. Angelina ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Sunita ma'am. Sasi ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Shall we wind up the session, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. Today we have
Thank you.
covered data types, integer, float, string, Boolean, complex,
Yes, ma'am.
variables, and dynamic typing, operators, arithmetic, relational, logical, string operations and functions, typecasting, basic
Yes, ma'am.
input, output, explanation, etc.
You have noted
And
everything, ma'am.
you have very well demonstrated concepts through coding examples. Thank you very much for your wonderful session, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you
so
for
much, ma'am. Thank you so much,
joining.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So thank you all for joining the session. Thank you, ma'am.
Only one question is there. How to check the letter number in strings? I think you
Oh,
told once hello world in the
yeah. Letter number. How to check the letter number
in
in
strings.
strings? Letter number. I don't understand what is the question. Once again.
And just you gave an example like hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Once again.
That
Here
is,
it will be.
she's asking, I think.
Hmm.
Ankita is asking.
Yeah. Count method. Using the count method and length method and find method. Three methods are there, which is convenient. You can use it. For counting the number of letters, you need to use for count length method. Okay, to count how many letters are there in a string, you need to use for length method. Yeah, this one. And three methods are there: length and how to count how many texts are repeating in a string. You want to use for count method and find method. So these are all the three methods.
Ankita, you can unmute and ask otherwise.
Hello.
Ankita,
I want to ask how I can find out that I am written. My name is Ayansh or Ankita. My name is Ankita. So how can I find out how to in Ankita A's position is I position, etc.
she
Okay.
is Ankita. She wants
See, you need to use
know.
for find method. You want to use for find method. Here it is. I'll show you. You want to use for find method because we don't know where actually see here. My name is John. I want to find the position of John. Okay. So then I should use for find method. Here I have used no. For example, here I'll put you. Can you see here?
Yes, miss.
Okay, fine. So if you try this, you will get the answers. Okay, ma'am. It is getting late, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
We'll
Thank
be
you, ma'am.
meeting tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ankita, what are you studying?
What?
Ankita, what are you studying?
I am in class 4.
Class 4.
Yes, miss.
Wow, super. Can you understand all the concepts taught here?
Yes, ma'am.
So smart, so smart. Very good. Congrats.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. You are from which state?
Yes. Bihar.
Bihar. Very nice. Thank you for your participation. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arun sir, shall we ask the doubt tomorrow? What if we are looking for A? We are 2A. Yes. We can ask the same doubt tomorrow, sir, please. As ma'am has another session at 7 o'clock. She has left the meeting. We can ask the same doubt tomorrow. It's okay, sir? Okay, thank you so much. So you can all leave the meeting. We will be meeting tomorrow again at 7 p.m. Yes, I thought I can share the videos at the end of the program because if we are sharing the videos immediately, the next day the participants are not attending the program. They are thinking that they can check with the recording. That is a problem. Okay, let me try. Okay, surely we'll be sending the recording at the end of the session. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, thank you, Kiran. Thank you. You can leave the session. We will be meeting tomorrow. Thank you.